afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon, kids.
So, kids, how are you all?
They are fit, fine, and cheerful.
Perfect. So, kids, here is your Lavina ma'am.
Here is your Jasminder, ma'am.
So, kids, are you all ready to start your day with us?
Yes.
Wow. So, kids, first of all, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, start Namokar Mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ariyanam, Namo Uvujayanam, Namo Lohe Savya Sahunam. ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सबे पापनहासनो मंगलाणं च सर्वे सिंह परममः वै मंगलम. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Open your eyes, hands down. So, kids, are you all ready?
Yes.
Perfect. So, kids, first of all, tell us what is the date today?
Today is 15 December 2020.
Today is 15th December 2020.
What is the date today?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Yes, okay. Do you remember what we have done in our last class?
We did domestic animals.
Yes, okay. Today we are going to revise those domestic animals quickly.
What are domestic animals?
Domestic animals are those whom we raise.
Domestic animals कौन होते हैं?
Yes, domestic animals वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं. उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं?
उन्हें हम domestic animals बोलते हैं.
Yes, okay. Shall we revise? Yes, this is a cat.
Which domestic animal is this?
This is a cat. Okay, now kids, the baby of cat is called
Kitten.
So kids, हम baby cat को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Cat को हम हिंदी में बिल्ली बोलते हैं.
Yes, and the baby of cat is called
Kitten.
And where does the cat live?
Cat lives in our home.
Yes, kids, cat कहाँ पर रहती है?
Cat हमारे घर में रहती है.
And what is the sound of cat?
Sound of cat is meow.
Cat का sound कैसे होता है?
Meow.
Yes, cat कैसे sound करती है? Meow, meow. कैसे sound करती है? Meow. So kids, what is the sound of cat?
Sound of cat is meow.
So which domestic animal is this?
This is a cat.
This is a cat. Now see the next domestic animal. Kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is a dog.
This is a dog. And kids, you know dog को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Dog को हम हिंदी में कुत्ता बोलते हैं.
Yes, dog को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
कुत्ता.
The baby of dog is called
Puppy.
Dog के छोटे छोटे little babies होते हैं cute से, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं?
हम puppy बोलते हैं.
Yes, and where does a dog live?
Dog lives in kennel.
Yes, dog कहाँ रहता है?
Dog kennel में रहते हैं.
And what is the sound of dog?
Sound of dog is bark.
Yes, dog का sound कैसे होता है?
Bark.
Bow wow, bow wow, bow wow. Dog कैसे करते हैं? Bark, bow wow, bow wow. So kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is a dog.
This is a dog. Okay, now see the next domestic animal. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
This is a horse. And kids, horse को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
हॉर्स को हम हिंदी में घोड़ा बोलते हैं.
And the baby of horse is?
फोल.
Yes, horse के kids होते हैं ना, babies छोटे छोटे, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं?
हॉर्स के बेबी को हम फोल बोलते हैं.
Yes, and kids, where does a horse live?
हॉर्स lives in stable.
Yes, horse कहाँ रहता है?
हॉर्स टेबल में रहता है.
किड्स, जैसे हम अपने घर में रहते हैं ना, we live in our house, तो horse कहाँ रहता है?
हॉर्स टेबल में रहता है.
And what is the sound of horse?
Sound of horse is neigh.
Horse कैसे sound करता है?
Neigh.
Yes. So kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
And horse को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
हॉर्स को हम हिंदी में घोड़ा बोलते हैं.
Yes. Now see the next domestic animal. Which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
This is an ox. And kids, ox को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
ऑक्स को हम हिंदी में बैल बोलते हैं.
And where does an ox live?
ऑक्स lives in shed.
Yes, ox कहाँ रहता है?
ऑक्स शेड में रहता है.
And what is the sound of ox?
साउंड ऑफ ऑक्स इज बेलो.
Yes, kids, ox का sound कैसा होता है?
बेलो.
So kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
This is an ox. Now, kids, हमने क्या रिवाइज किया? Domestic animals. Today we are going to learn new domestic animals. Okay, kids. So are you all ready?
Yes.
A pig in the sty. A pig in the sty. Oink oink says the pig. A pig in the sty. A pig in the sty. A pig in the sty. Oink oink says the pig. A pig in the sty. Yay! Clapping. Okay, now kids, जोर से clapping करेंगे. Very good. So kids, इस rhyme में हमने कौन सा domestic animal देखा?
हमने पिग देखा.
Which domestic animal? Pig. Yes. Okay, kids, you know हम pig को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
पिग को हम हिंदी में सुअर बोलते हैं.
Yes, pig को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
सुअर.
And kids, the baby of pig is called?
पिगलेट.
Yes, pig के छोटे छोटे babies होते हैं ना, cute little बच्चे, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं?
उन्हें हम पिगलेट बोलते हैं.
And kids, where does a pig live?
Pig lives in sty.
Yes, kids, हमने rhyme में देखा था ना, pig कहाँ रहता है?
Pig sty में रहता है.
Yes, and what is the sound of pig?
Sound of pig is snort.
Pig की sound कैसी होती है?
Snort.
Yes, kids, आपने सुनी किसकी sound थी?
ये pig की sound थी.
Yes, and the sound of pig is?
Snort.
Yes, okay. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a pig.
This is a pig. And kids, pig को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Pig को हम हिंदी में सुअर बोलते हैं.
And the baby of pig is called?
Piglet.
Yes, kids, जो pig के छोटे छोटे babies होते हैं ना, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं?
उन्हें हम पिगलेट बोलते हैं.
And where does a pig live?
Pig lives in sty.
Yes, kids, pig कहाँ रहता है?
Pig sty में रहता है.
And what is the sound of pig?
Sound of pig is snort.
Yes, kids, हमने rhyme में भी सुना था ना pig का sound, और मैम ने अभी आपको pig की sound भी सुनाई. So the sound of pig is?
Snort.
Yes. Now, a camel in the desert, a camel in the desert. Grunt, grunt, says the camel, a camel in the desert, a camel in the desert, a camel in the desert. Grunt, grunt, says the camel, a camel in the desert. Yay! Clapping. Okay, kids, जल्दी से clapping करेंगे जोर से. Ma'am is watching. Clap, 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 clap. Fast, 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 fast. Slow. Fast, 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 fast. Very good. Slow. Fast. Very nice. Ma'am is watching everyone. So kids, हमने इस राइम में कौन सा डोमेस्टिक एनिमल देखा?
हमने इसमें कैमल देखा.
कैमल. So kids, हम कैमल को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
कैमल को हम हिंदी में ऊंट बोलते हैं.
And the camel baby is called
काफ.
Yes, कैमल के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
कैमल के बेबी को हम काफ बोलते हैं.
And where does a camel live?
Camel lives in desert.
Yes, kids, कैमल कहाँ रहता है?
कैमल डेजर्ट में रहता है.
किड्स, आप सबने देखा है ना डेजर्ट. डेजर्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेगिस्तान. सो कैमल कहाँ रहते हैं?
कैमल डेजर्ट में रहते हैं.
And what is the sound of camel?
साउंड ऑफ कैमल इज ग्रंट.
Yes, कैमल की साउंड कैसी होती है?
कैमल की साउंड ग्रंट होती है.
किड्स, आप सबने सुनी किसकी साउंड थी ये?
ये साउंड कैमल की थी.
Yes, so the sound of camel is
ग्रंट.
and kids, you know camel is also known as ship of desert.
कैमल को हम शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट भी बोलते हैं.
It is used for riding.
Camel is used for riding.
Yes, and kids, you know it has a long neck and a hump on its back.
कैमल की लंबी गर्दन होती है और उसकी पीठ पर कुबड़ होता है.
See kids, camel की कितनी long neck है? This is a neck of camel and it has a hump on its back like this. This is known as hump. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Hump. Okay, kids. So which domestic animal is this?
This is a camel.
Yes. So camel को हम क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
कैमल को हम हिंदी में ऊंट बोलते हैं.
The baby of camel is called
काफ.
Yes. And where does a camel live?
कैमल lives in desert.
Yes. Camel कहाँ रहता है?
कैमल डेजर्ट में रहता है.
And what is the sound of camel?
साउंड ऑफ कैमल इज ग्रंट.
Yes. हमने सुना था ना राइम में और मैम ने आपको कैमल की साउंड भी सुनाई. So the sound of camel is
ग्रंट.
very good. So which domestic animal is this?
This is a camel.
This is a camel. Now, a donkey in the stable, a donkey in the stable. Hee haw, says the donkey, a donkey in the stable, a donkey in the stable, a donkey in the stable. Hee haw, says the donkey, a donkey in the stable. Yay! Clapping! So kids, इस rhyme में हमने कौन सा animal देखा?
Donkey.
And donkey is a
Domestic animal.
Yes, so donkey को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Donkey को हम हिंदी में गधा बोलते हैं.
Yes, and you know kids, the baby of donkey is called
Foal.
Yes, donkey की baby को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Donkey के बेबी को हम foal बोलते हैं.
And where does a donkey live?
Donkey lives in stable.
Donkey कहाँ रहता है?
Donkey stable में रहता है.
And what is the sound of donkey?
Sound of donkey is bray.
Yes, donkey की sound कैसी होती है?
Donkey की sound bray होती है.
किड्स, आप सबने सुनी किसकी साउंड थी?
ये sound donkey की थी.
Yes, the sound of donkey is
Bray.
and kids, you know donkey also carries lots and lots of load.
Donkey बहुत सारा बोझा ढोते हैं.
So kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is a donkey.
And donkey को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Donkey को हम हिंदी में गधा बोलते हैं.
Yes, the baby of donkey is called
Foal.
Where does a donkey live?
Donkey lives in stable.
Yes, stable. And what is the sound of donkey?
Sound of donkey is bray.
Yes, हमने सुनी थी ना rhyme में. The sound of donkey is.
Bray.
Yes, which domestic animal is this?
This is a donkey.
This is a donkey. A rabbit in the burrow. A rabbit in the burrow. Squeak, squeak, says the rabbit. A rabbit in the burrow. A rabbit in the burrow. A rabbit in the burrow. Squeak, squeak, says the rabbit. A rabbit in the burrow. Yay! Clapping! Clap, 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 clap. Wow! So kids, इस rhyme में हमने कौन सा domestic animal देखा?
Rabbit.
Wow! Rabbit! Okay, so हम rabbit को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Rabbit को हम हिंदी में खरगोश बोलते हैं.
And kids, you know the baby of rabbit is called?
Leveret.
Yes, rabbit के छोटे छोटे babies होते हैं ना, cute cute white color के, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं?
उन्हें हम लेवरेट बोलते हैं.
Yes, and where does a rabbit live?
Rabbit lives in burrow.
जैसे कि सब अपने घर में रहते हैं ना, we live in our house. So rabbit कहाँ रहते हैं?
Rabbit burrow में रहते हैं.
And what is the sound of rabbit?
Sound of rabbit is squeak.
Yes, rabbit की कैसी sound होती है? Squeak, squeak. Kids, आप सबने सुनी किसकी sound थी?
ये rabbit की sound थी.
It was a sound of rabbit. So kids, the sound of rabbit is?
Squeak, squeak.
Yes. So kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is a rabbit.
This is a rabbit. And you know kids, rabbit को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
उसे हम खरगोश बोलते हैं.
The baby of rabbit is called?
Leveret.
Yes. And where does a rabbit live?
Rabbit lives in burrow.
Rabbit कहाँ रहते हैं?
Rabbit burrow में रहते हैं.
And what is the sound of rabbit?
Squeak, squeak.
Yes, kids, हमने सुनी थी ना rabbit की sound rhyme में, और मैम ने अभी आपको rabbit की sound भी सुनाई. So the sound of rabbit is squeak, squeak. And you know kids, rabbit loves to eat lots and lots of carrot.
Rabbit को बहुत सारी गाजर खाना पसंद होता है.
Wow! And rabbit has long, long ears.
Rabbit के लंबे कान होते हैं.
See, rabbit has two long, long ears. Wow! And you know, rabbit को हम और क्या बोलते हैं?
Rabbit को हम bunny बोलते हैं.
Bunny! Such a lovely name. Rabbit को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Bunny. Yay! So which domestic animal is this?
This is a rabbit.
This is a rabbit. Okay kids, so kids, हमने आज क्या किया? हमने domestic animals किए. सबको अच्छे से learn हो गए domestic animals.
Yes.
Now we are going to learn their spellings. Okay kids, now see
Which domestic animal is this?
this is a pig.
It's a
Pig. Yes, and what is the spelling of pig? Yes, kids, you have to speak with ma'am. P
P
I
I
G
G
P I G pig.
P I G pig.
Which domestic animal is this?
This is a pig.
And the spelling of pig is P I G pig.
P I G pig.
Now see the next domestic animal. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a camel.
Yes, and what is the spelling of camel? Speak with ma'am. C
C
A
A
M
M
E
E
L.
L.
C-A-M-E-L, camel.
C-A-M-E-L, camel.
Yes. Now see the next domestic animal.
Which domestic animal is this?
This is a donkey.
This is a donkey. donkey.
Yes, and what is the spelling of donkey? Yes, speak with ma'am. D
D
O
O
N
N
K
K
E
E
Y.
Y.
Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey.
Yes, now see the next domestic animal.
Which domestic animal is this?
This is a rabbit.
This is a rabbit.
Yes, and kids, what is the spelling of rabbit? Yes, you have to speak with ma'am. R
R
A
A
B
B
B
B
I
I
T.
T.
RABBIT, rabbit.
RABBIT, rabbit.
Yes, okay. It's what we did. We did domestic animals and their spellings. Okay, kids, सबको अच्छे से learn हो गए domestic animals.
Yes.
So kids, now we learn the concept of over and under. You remember kids, we did in and on in our last class. So today we are going to learn about over and under. Okay kids, okay, when do we use over?
We use over when an object is above the other and not touching the surface.
Yes kids, हम over कब use करते हैं?
जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर होता है पर सरफेस को टच नहीं करता.
Yes, जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर होता है और वो ऑब्जेक्ट उसको टच नहीं कर रहा होता, तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Over.
Yes, and kids, when do we use under?
Under is used when an object is below the other.
Yes, हम under कब यूज करते हैं?
जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के नीचे होता है.
Then we use under. Okay kids, now see the example. Okay kids. Okay now kids, when do we use over? हम over कब use करते हैं? When an object
is above the other and not touching the surface.
So which picture is this?
This is a sun.
This is a picture of sun. And see what is ma'am drawing?
Mountains.
Wow, mountains. Yes. So kids, mountains के ऊपर क्या बना हुआ है? Sun. So sun is over the mountains.
The sun is over the mountains.
Yes, see kids, sun कहाँ है? Mountains के ऊपर. और sun जो है वो mountains को touch नहीं कर रहा. So we use over. So we use over. Okay kids. Now, see, okay kids, tell us, when do we use under?
Under is used when an object is below the other.
Yes, जब एक के नीचे दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Under.
Now see the picture. Now, okay, now which picture is this? This is a picture of
Tree.
tree. And Which picture is this?
This is a boy.
Yes, and kids, where is the boy?
The boy is under the tree.
Yes, जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के नीचे होता है तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Under.
Yes, यहाँ पे बॉय कहाँ है? ट्री के नीचे.
नीचे.
So we will use under. The boy is under the tree. Okay, kids. Okay, kids. Now, ma'am is going to ask some questions from you. So, kids, are you all ready? So, kids, are you all ready? Yes. So, see, kids. Wow, what are these? See, kids, what are these? These are clouds. These are clouds. Yes. Okay, and see, kids, what is this? This is an aeroplane. Wow, lovely aeroplane. So, kids, which picture is this? This is a picture of cloud. And which picture is this? This is a picture of an aeroplane. And kids, you know where is the aeroplane?
The aeroplane is.
Where is the aeroplane? Yes, kids, who will tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Ritisha, unmute yourself. Yes, kids, where is...
The aeroplane is under the clouds.
Very nice, clapping. The aeroplane is under the clouds. Okay, so kids, now who will tell us? The next question is, what is this? This is a chair. And what is this?
This is a ball.
This is a ball. Yes. And kids, where is the ball? Who will tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Bhavya Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes, Bhavya Sharma, quickly, unmute yourself. Yes. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Anybody else? Raise your hand. Yes. Alishka, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, where is...
The ball is chairs.
Beta?
The ball is under the chairs.
Very good. Clapping. The ball is under the chair. Okay, now kids, where is the teddy? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Binika, unmute yourself. Yes, where is the teddy?
Teddy under the
Umbrella.
umbrella.
Yes, very nice. The teddy is under the umbrella. Very good, very nice. Okay, now kids, what else we did? We did
Domestic animals.
yes, domestic animals. So kids, which domestic animal is this? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself. Yes, Gaurav, quickly, unmute yourself.
R-A-B-B-I-T.
Rabbit. Very nice. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Wow. Okay, now. What is an ox used for? Yes, Advika Agarwal, unmute yourself. Yes, Advika Agarwal, unmute yourself. What is an ox used for? Yes, Advika, quickly, unmute yourself. Anybody else? Raise your hand. Okay, kids, ox किस काम आता है? You can also speak in Hindi. Yes, Harshi Agarwal, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. What is an ox used for?
Clap and feel.
Plowing the field. Very nice. Clapping. Okay, now. Okay, now what is the horse used for? Yes, Harshil Gupta, unmute yourself. Yes, Harshil Gupta, quickly, unmute yourself.
Horse.
Yes, beta, what is an horse used for?
Lighting.
Wow, riding. Very nice. Very good. Okay, now.
What is the sound of dog?
Yes, quickly, raise your hand. Yes, Yashil, unmute yourself.
Bark.
Very nice. The sound the dog is to bark. Very good. Okay, now which domestic animal is this? Yes, Jianshi, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Camel.
Very good. This is a camel. Very nice. Okay, now kids, which animal gives us wool? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Karnik, unmute yourself. Yes, Karnik, quickly, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta. Which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
Very good, very nice. Sheep. Wow.
पिग के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
The baby of pig is called. Raise your hand. Who will tell us? Yes, Kianarya, unmute yourself. Yes, Kianarya, quickly, unmute yourself.
Piglet.
Very good. The baby of pig is called Piglet. Very nice. Okay, now. Kids, हम
डंकी
को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, Trisha Sharma, unmute yourself.
Gadha.
Very good. हम डंकी को क्या बोलते हैं? गधा. Very nice. Okay, now.
What is the sound of cat?
Raise your hand. Yes, raise your hand quickly. Yes, Kostav, unmute yourself. Yes. What is the sound of cat?
Meow.
Very good. Sound of cat is meow. Wow. Okay, now, where does a donkey live? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Princey Gupta, unmute yourself. Yes, Princey Gupta, quickly, unmute yourself.
Donkey.
Yes, where does a donkey live? Yes, beta, speak up. Yes, quickly unmute yourself. Where does a donkey live? Yes,
Honest.
donkey lives in a
Honest.
stable. Donkey lives in a stable. Okay, kids. Now, wow.
आपको क्या खाना पसंद होता है?
Yes, rabbit likes to eat. Yes, Chitranshi, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Betu. Rabbit likes to eat.
Carrot, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. Clapping. Rabbit likes to eat carrot. Okay, now, kids, who is going to tell us where is the radish? Yes, Kriti, unmute yourself.
The radish is in the basket.
Very good. The radish is in the basket. Very nice. Clapping. Okay, now who is going to tell us where is the ball? Yes, raise your hand. Where is the ball? Yes, Ishani, unmute yourself.
The ball is in the box.
The jar. The ball is in the jar. Very nice. Clapping. Yes, who is going to tell us where is the water bottle? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Namjas, unmute yourself.
On the table.
The water bottle is on the table. Very good, very nice. Okay, now, where is the ring? Yes, kids, raise your hand. Where is the ring? Yes, Tanishka, unmute yourself.
The ring is on the box.
Good afternoon.
Ring the is in
The ring.
the ring book.
The ring is on the book. Ring कहाँ है? Book के ऊपर. So we will say the ring is on the book. Okay, kids. So kids, what we did today?
We did domestic animals.
Yes, we did domestic animals. And kids, you know who are domestic animals?
Domestic animals are those whom we raise.
Yes, domestic animals को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Domestic animals वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं.
Yes. Okay, kids. And what else we did? We did the concept of under.
And over.
Okay, kids. So, kids, ये हमारी कौन सी classes चल रही है?
ये हमारी live classes चल रही हैं.
And आप हमारी recorded classes school WhatsApp group पे जो आपको link share किया है उसको open करके देख सकते हैं या फिर school YouTube channel पे देख सकते हैं. You can like and subscribe our channel for regular updates. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.